Welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm making a backdrop for Father's Day. I have silver, crinkled silver or crushed silver as my base layer, and I'm just loading 3 different shades of blue. I have 4-way stretch, velvet, and 2-way stretch. So now I'm making a pole cover. I'm making another pole cover, and I'm making sure the pole cover match whatever panel is on those sides. I'm pleating the baby blue. I'm keeping it nice and straight. And then with the second panel, I'm giving it some looseness. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then I'm just going to keep this pattern going where I keep the inside panel straight, and then the second panel I give some looseness to it, some swag to it. So the navy blue is 4-way stretch, the royal blue is velvet, the baby blue is a 2-way stretch. I put the royal blue velvet in the front because that is a very pretty and shiny fabric. So you don't want to hide your pretty and shiny fabrics. You want to put those in the front or make them visible in your backdrops. So I tried to drop this one a little bit lower, but it didn't make that much of a difference. This tie back right here, look how it's shaped. Like it has a point at this end and a point at this end. So I could put this on here and take away some pipe cleaners, but you still will see something because it's not thick enough to hide anything. So for those narrow tie backs, I end up using fishing line, and you just use as much fishing line as you feel comfortable with, and I do have a video on my channel on that, so please look for that. And then the one in the middle, you're able to leave the outside pipe cleaner on because it does hide it. And I'm just making my bottom nice and neat. This is how it turned out. I love this design. I'm going to insert a picture and show you how I did this design before. But each time I try to do something a little bit different. So these tie backs was the change that I did with this design. And of course the colors. Please let me know what you think of this backdrop. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.